G'day everyone, Lego Movie Bros here. Welcome to another musical instrument video, where today I'll be talking about this. I think it's pronounced Bowman SL35 Alto Trombone. So it's a pretty good instrument, I think. Being an alto, it's quite a really nice compact size, and the design, the struts on the side, on the bell section, the slanting on them is quite good. Got your water key and your slide lock. It did come with a case. It came with a case, which is quite a good The only real problem I have is that there isn't any dedicated slot for the mouthpiece. That's a mark against it. Apart from that, I'm quite happy with the whole thing. So, being a trombone, it can always do things that other instruments can't. Yeah, cow impersonation. So I'll just play a quick tune on this so we can get a bit of an idea of what it's all about. Thank you very much for watching.